Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Thumbtack, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.thumbtack.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be presented with options to register using your Google account, Facebook account, or an email address. If you choose to register with Google or Facebook, click the respective button and follow the prompts. If you prefer to use your email, enter your valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account and confirm it in the provided field. After entering your details, click the Continue button. You will be prompted to provide information about the service you offer. Select the type of work you plan to provide. Fill in any additional details that help describe your services. Once you've completed this section, click Next. Next, add your location by entering your city or zip code. This helps connect you with potential clients in your area. After entering your location, click Next. You may be asked to provide your phone number for verification. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for a text message from Thumbtack. Once you receive the code, enter it in the verification field on the website. After verification, click Continue. Now, take a moment to review your profile information. Make any necessary edits to ensure everything is accurate and complete. When satisfied, click the Finish button. Congratulations, your Thumbtack account is now registered and ready to use. Explore the platform for tips on creating a standout profile and getting your first clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.